Now, let's move to see different functions. We will be transferred to a new task. I hope we can finish it before the class finish, which is task 20I. Let's read together. Open the file project.csv. Once you see this sentence, it means you will have a file in the source files, and you have to go and open it, save it as task 20I, then change the file type from CSV to Excel format. Okay, let's do this step together again, then we will back to the task. Okay, so you have to go to your folder, and inshallah you will receive from me next class chapter 20, and we need to open the file which is named project.csv. Where is project? This, I will just open it. Then the first thing that I have to do, I have to save this file as a 20I and say inside my work area. Save it as browse task 20I, and please don't forget to change its type. It's very important and it's a common mistake. So, and it's critical and serious. Change it to Excel workbook, then just click save. Next, what we have to do, we have to put all of the cells to be fit nicely inside the width. So we will click on this gray triangle, and between the cells A and B, you will just double click. So we have this format. Now let's go and read the task. This file lists some workers, and below each worker is the number of the jobs they have still to finish for a project. So we have a worker name, and he still have like 4 jobs to finish in the project. So they divide the project into jobs and give it to some people. And this file contains the left jobs. Okay, let's continue. Place a formula in cell A22 to count the number of workers that still have jobs to be finished for this project. If you look here, we have some workers without any left job. Only one we have, okay? No, we have 2. The question asked me to go to cell A22. Where's A22? This is A22, right? We want to count the workers that still have job to be finished, okay? Right. We will use a function called count function. How does this function work? It will calculate any cell contain a number. So if we use the count function, it will move between all of these cells. Is this cell contain a number? No, it contains ticks, not number. It will not be counted. Is this cell contain a number? Yes, it will be counted. Okay. How about this? It's a text. It will not be counted. Like this function will work. Okay. Let's try. Equal count. Then we will open a bracket and we will use the range from A2 until A19, until the last one. So from A2 until A19, we have to count all of these cells. What the meaning of count? It will count only the cells that contains numbers. Okay, so we will close the bracket, then we will click enter. Which number do we have here? 7, right? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the empty cell has not been counted, and the cells contain text also has not been counted. Okay, so this is the function of count. طيب. If I want to count, but based on the condition, let's see. So we have already saved this task as what? Task 20i. I will save it. Then I will move to the book with you. We have finished this count. No, we still have one job. We have 1 minute. Place a formula in cell A24 to count the number of the workers on the project. Okay, we want to count the number of the workers on the project. To count the number of the workers in the project, it means I want to use a function that will count the text or the number. Okay, so we have another function. We called it count A. This function will count the text and number, but the task asked me to count what? To count the number of workers. It means I want to count only text, not the numbers. So I have to go here and count numbers and text together. Then I will minus from it the count of numbers only. Sorry, I will write it like this, from A to A19. You see, we have 9. What is this 9? This is only the text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have done